So here's a process I'm working on here this morning. I've got my YouTube videos pulled up in my stats, and I'm going to buy which ones created the most subscribers for me. And what I'm doing is I'm opening those up into a new page. Then I get the transcript and I grab that, and I'm going to my GPT that I just created. So if I go back to my Virtual Rewriter, I can give my stuff to it and it'll rewrite this now. The hook, the reveal, the intrigue, the call to curiosity. It creates a 200-word clickbait podcast introduction, and then it gives me a 500-word character keyword phrase list that I could use for my YouTube videos. And it gives me some titles and some thumbnail hooks that I can use for the video. Now I have the video content. What I'm going to do is copy and paste the script over into HeyGen. So I'll take this and I'll edit as new, and then I am just copying and pasting in the script a piece at a time, and sometimes I have to break it up into a few different frames. And I'll have to pay attention to it, I'll have to watch through it, I'll have to read it actually, and then make sure that the images here that match what the content is saying to do. Then the next step that I'm doing is I am creating a video out of it. So where's my video editor? I download that afterwards and I put it into my video editor, and I put the titles over top here and I edit those so that they are matching and they stop properly. And then at the end I'm having a call to action in some of them. So some of them I'm putting a little call to action that says if you leave a comment below, my automation will give you a reply. And then I will look for those automations and I'll put those one of these. So here's an example of an automation that's listening to a YouTube video, and anytime there is a reply, this will reply to the person. Anytime that somebody comments under there saying give me the blueprint, it will reply to that. So I can hook this up underneath each of the different videos that I'm putting up, and I will put them into my channel, and then I'll publish them out and I'll share the blog post. I'm going to make a separate blog post from this as well. And yeah, I got to change that so it's not. Anyway, I have to rewrite that a little bit, and then it'll be ready to go as a blog post with the video embedded. And I am just creating a bunch of HeyGen videos and putting them out there on a shorts feed, and we'll see how this turns out. So I wanted to do a quick video about how I'm processing the content that I already have, and then I'm linking back to myself so that I'm trying to promote this community actually. Yet, you don't have to do just your own content. You could find anybody else's YouTube video. So I could go to Julian Goldie, right up top there. So I can go to his videos. I can scroll down and see which ones are getting views per hour. 128 views an hour, 312 views per hour. Scroll down a ways, just randomly go down a whole bunch. And then when you see the older videos that are still getting good constant views per hour, then you know that what he's teaching in there is something that is interesting to the market, and that you could take that. Here's one that's getting 3 views per hour. It's a 2.1x of his normal. Here's a 2.9x of his normal. So you could find the video 6x of his normal, still getting 1 view per hour, and it's a month old. So once you find, here's something, 6 views per hour, 2.6 times his old stuff. Find the content, any of it at all, grab the transcript, go into the GPT, feed it. So then it's finished and it's created all the content that I need to create a video, to create a blog post, and then link through my referral link over to Julian's work. So I could do this for video after video after video of his stuff and just keep going through the referral link and do this for all of those different creators and really start turning this into a revenue stream. Anyway, I'm going to get busy with my own stuff so that I can get that out there and link back to my most successful stuff and start magnifying it more. So I want to focus on those outliers in my own content and do a bunch of these different style videos. So I'm doing this style video right now, and I'll change that up and I'll do a different style content piece, and I'll reprocess HeyGen videos and put out with a different message. Anyway, thanks so much for being here. Stay safe, everyone, and here's to your success.